Getting back to sleep. If you want to know the truth, please listen to this. My name is Fatima from classicalhealing.com. Getting back to sleep during evening hours will never be too difficult to execute for those individuals who have relaxing bedtime routine at all times. One of the things that can affect the ability of an individual to get back to sleep easily is a sleep disorder. But this problem won't be able to affect the daily living of a person who possesses good sleeping habits that are really necessary in the process of creating an excellent bedtime routine. In this video, the most effective ways on how to get back to sleep easily will be enumerated for the benefit of those individuals who really want to be happy and always protected from several kinds of serious medical conditions for the rest of their lives. There are so many ways to get back to sleep easily during evening hours while aiming for a good quality of sleep. Such things have been proven effective when it comes to the process of providing a person with a rejuvenating sleep regardless of the different types of disturbances that may occur in their sleeping environment from time to time. Here is no need to rely on sleeping pills and massage therapies while aiming to get back to sleep faster during evening hours. A person's determination and willingness to sleep better during evening hours is already enough in the process of mastering the most effective ways on how to get back to sleep easily. The steps on how to get back to sleep. Many people in this world suffer from serious medical conditions and stress from time to time even though their regular diet is good. Such individuals are those who don't have good quality of nightly sleep most of the time. Good quality of sleep is always important in the process of improving the overall health status of a person. It works excellently in the process of rejuvenating a human body as well. But it's not too easy to achieve a good quality of nightly sleep during evening hours. In fact, there are so many sleep requirements to prepare while aiming to achieve the best benefits that it can provide. One of the most effective steps that can be performed to get back to sleep easily during evening hours is to learn how to relax. A relaxing bedtime routine is always significant in getting back to sleep easily. It encourages a person to spend an hour on relaxing activities while preparing to sleep. One good example of relaxing activity that a person can perform to get back to sleep faster is to listen into a wonderful music that has a slow tempo and relaxing melody while lying on a bed. To stay quiet and free from the negative effects of worrying can also help a person to get back to sleep faster during evening hours without spending a lot of effort. The easiest way to get back to sleep easily during evening hours is to perform non-stimulating activities while preparing to sleep. Like for example is to avoid using backlight devices and electronic gadgets while resting.